So on the occasion of the birthday of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, there seems to be a series of events that have lined up on part of the Aam Aadmi Party because in a way how they are celebrating Arvind Kejriwal's birthday. And this is outside the Tihar jail where he's currently lodged. The pictures that are coming in of cake cutting ceremony also that is taking place. This seems to be the Aam Aadmi Party model that seems to be on full display. Tejshri, multiple events lined up on the occasion of Delhi Chief Minister's birthday, but of course he's not there in person to celebrate it.
Well, of course, yes, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, whose birthday is today, he's inside Tihar jail. And of course, we are having the visuals where we could see in the pictures that the Karyakartas and few leaders also of Aam Aadmi Party have gathered outside Tihar jail and they are celebrating the birthday of Arvind Kejriwal. However, talking about the events that will be taking place today, so the most important event is the Padyatra of Manish Sisodia that is going to begin around 5 o'clock today from Greater Kailash. And in fact, in this Padyatra, what Aam Aadmi Party will try to do is they will try to reach the people of Delhi, and in fact they have also chalked out a strategy so as to how they are going to send this particular message that the case in which the Chief Minister is still lodged in Tihar jail, that is completely false. And in fact all other leaders from Sanjay Singh to Manish Sisodia to Satyendra Jain all have been implicated in false cases. So this particular will be this will be the messaging. However, yes, remember that Manish Sisodia as of now holds no position just apart from the MLA. Yes, he is number 2 in the party, but yet important decisions will be taken by him only. And as of now, an important meeting is underway at his residence where Bhagwat Mann, the Chief Minister of Punjab, is meeting Manish Sisodia, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi. And in fact, we have also been seeing the social media, the social media flooded with the wishes to Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi. And in fact, Aam Aadmi Party has also put out videos where they have also been portraying Arvind Kejriwal as
celebrating birthday, and this is of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, whose birthday falls today, in series of events and also Padyatras that have now been taken up as far as today's day that is now being marked. Thank you very much, Tejshri, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.